Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Valorant error while 51 there is an error connecting to the platform. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to status.riotgames.com, select Valorant, select your region, and make sure there is no server problems on Valorant end. So if there is no problems and the servers are fully operating, then probably something is on your end. And the first thing, you need to speed test your internet connection, and you need to see if you have a good internet speed. And if you don't, then try to limit some devices and or maybe restart your router. And then the next thing what you need to do here, if you have a good internet connection, go to Task Manager and make sure you're not running any programs related to Riot Client, Valorant, and also Vanguard. And also on the bottom right corner should be, if you recently basically played Valorant, it should be a Vanguard thing here. You should also exit that. And the next thing that you can do here, you can try to use VPN, or you can change your DNS server address. So if you want to change a server address, just right click on your network here and then go to Open Network and Internet Settings, and then go to change adapter options here, and then go to properties here, and then look for Internet Protocol version 4, and here you can change DNS settings. I like to use these 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server settings 8.8.4.4, and apply and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to update your drivers. So you need to go to Device Manager, look for as you can see here, where it is, adapter drivers, network adapters, and make sure to update your drivers here. If you don't know what particular one, just try to update all of them, right click on that and update driver. And then if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to update your operating system. So here you need to go to on search and just write check for updates, and then press check for updates here and look if there is a new drivers for your operating system that you need to download and install. So as you can see here, for me there is some. Just install them, restart your computer, and the last thing that you can do here, you can basically verify Valorant files, and to do so you need to go to Riot Client, and then you need to we need to wait for a few seconds here until this page loads up. Then on the top right corner should be a little profile icon here, press on that, go to settings, and then go to Valorant and press repair. So if you may have some corrupted files, it will fix that, and try to verify the files by pressing repair, and then look if the game is working for you or not. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.